Hey, Vic here, and we're going to be talking about this automation system from James Neville Taylor. I'm so excited because I got everything finished and hooked up, ready to go, and there's a very, very important lesson here. Once you're complete with everything, what you need to do is opt into your own funnel with your own Gmail address, okay? So I'm going to put my name in here, Victor, and I'm going to put in my Gmail address, kimonomarketing@gmail.com. And you've got to troubleshoot any things that go wrong because Murphy's Law, things do go wrong. So I click Unlock My Gift, and now it goes to a redirect. And it redirects over to insider-amb.cheetah.builderall.thankyou page and website not found insider AMB. Well, where does this thing live? Why is that error message happening? Okay. Now all the emails are working, but the thank you page is going to the wrong place. So what do? I went to Builderall chat support and they made me a video. This is the solution. It's really simple. All you do is go back into your site when it's completed and it's published. You click on that little set link icon and you're going to see 3 links: subscribe pending, subscribe confirm, and unsubscribe confirm. So you want to go to the subscribe confirm one and set it to the thank you page. Or you can put in a custom URL if you want to, but I just set it to the thank you page. Then I hit save and then test it again and it works. Now there's another thing that I found that I'm going to share with you at the moment, but it's not about reaching out to your sponsor or reaching out to James or reaching out to me. Go get the answer from Builderall chat support. That's what they want to show you. So like you could get rid of the subscribe pending. You can actually delete that link entirely. So support was very, very helpful. So let's go and make this change now. So what I want to do is I'm going to go into the editor. I'm going to click edit page. That brings me into here. Then I click on links. Then over here I have to click on this link and set that to the thank you page. Now I click save. Then I click save and I click publish. Now I go back to testing it. Sometimes you have to wait a few seconds. It's good to always test in an incognito window. So I'm going to make a new private window. Give it a few seconds to publish. We will then refresh it. I'm going to put in Victor and then Kimono Marketing. So this is the form that comes up to update your subscriber preferences. So you can't really do anything here. So I asked support, well, how do I get rid of this form? Because a lot of people will just opt in because they forgot the URL. So I went back to chat support and I asked them, what do I do in the case when someone's already on my list and they're just opting in a second time? Well, we need to fix that. So he made me another video, and this is how you do it. It's really simple. So he's going into my Mailing Boss. It actually lives inside of Mailing Boss. He picked one of the lists as an example, so we're just going to go to my search triggers list as an example. He just didn't know which list is which. You go to Advanced, and then under Sub Exists Redirect, you put in your final URL that you copy and paste to your thank you page. Copy and paste your thank you page in there. Now what I'm doing is I'm actually skipped it and I went straight to the affiliate page, because if someone already saw that thank you page, they don't need to check their email again. you send them straight to the affiliate page, which asks for the $7 offer. That is really, really useful. So we're going to do that now in setting up James's system. So I'm going to go into the Mailing Boss. I'm going to go to Lists. And then I'm going to go into this new list, which is right here. I'm going to click Update. And then I'm going to click Advanced. And then I'm going to go If Subscriber Exists. And I'm going to send them straight to the special offer. And save these changes. Okay, so I have the automation machine. The reason it's asking for that is because the template is asking for single opt-in, and when it's loaded in via API, it copies everything. And if I make any changes, you have to go in and say that again. So you have to basically give a good reason why you need a single opt-in. And typically I would say, we are delivering an ebook via email. So we can easily identify who is clicking on the download link to receive their ebook. So something like that is what I'm going to say. Then I click Continue. And the only time they really look at this is if there's a problem. So as long as you do good marketing and you're not spamming or doing solo ads or something that's kind of shady, then you won't have any problems with your opt-in subscribers. And compliance will never really have to look at the answers to these questions. I've never been denied, no matter what I say in here. But I always say the truth in here in case compliance does look at it later. Okay, so now we click Continue. And now it's been successfully saved. Now when I go to Advanced, I check it and see there it is. If subscriber exists, then it sends them straight there. So now I can test this, open a new private window. I'm already opted in, so I'm just now going to go to the automation machine. And I'm going to go in here and put Victor. And then I'm going to put in the same email, kimonomarketing@gmail. Unlock my gift. And it should take me straight to the gift. Yep, there it is.
So I'm listening to this guy yammering on
Okay.
about affiliate marketing in a hotel bar after hours at a business conference. He's flashing.
So instead of it going to the thank you page, the thank you page, when you go to the thank you page for the very first time, you want to tell people that the gift will be in your inbox in a few moments. While you wait, check out this quick video on how to crush it with affiliate marketing. Then there's a check it out button. You want to do this because you want people to check their email. If they've already gotten the first email and they're just coming in for the first time after that, what you want to do is send them straight to the offer, and that's going to increase your conversions. So I hope you found this video useful, and I will see you in the next one.